This piece here we just got in, what it is, it's an aniline dyed sofa, 3 cushion. As you can see, there's a lot of breakdown. There's barely any of the Sauvage color left. It's actually a tipped leather. As you can see here, on all the tips of the leather is all a darker color than the base. We have heavy scratches. Unfortunately, that's what happens when it's an aniline piece. It scratches very easily, as you can see in the cushions here. Now we just get to start the process for the customer. We'll turn this into a semi-aniline leather piece for the homeowner.